Ki kena yalekay naka All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association AMKA kilala bermanra ya kana buram ya kajela hadian bakilayo ban khur Haduh arpwe tli takma naka rynsan iakop National Kickboxing Championship 2024 kata hak 28 senior 27th junior and sub junior kabalalong haviki Krishna Menon Indoor Stadium Kozhikode Kerala nadu kakatsaw Haduh kakatnyo tarik naiwing arajar arpsaw. Hakani ka rynsan iakop bala penyai da ka Kickboxing Association of Kerala, bat bala beting ka da ka Indian Association of Kickboxing ki kena ka AMKA, kila yo ruban khur Haduh kandai tili kita ka ksiar, bat mar nriu tili kita ka rupa bat tak marnong. Na pedeng ki bala yo khur ya tak ksiar ki kynthup sangut ki kentei bat sangut ki kena shenrang. Na ki kentei kalong ka ame Grace nong besap bat ka Ozania nong besap na ka sub junior, kat ba ka Rina Eskem nong besap bat ka Bio na Karmujai na ka junior point fight bat ka Yairi Suksiim na ka senior full fight. Kat ba na kalyang kishinrang uriko niyas maulong bat umewan pendap marpna na ka sub junior, usyan bor kurba na ka junior, bat ukordo renja na ka senior. Kumju kinriungot ki weipat ki bayok Korea kita kemarupa kilong ka happiness manar na ka junior point fight ka iba hun daris kars imli na ka senior K1 umishan bor nong room sub junior ubishar bnia maulong sub junior uriban tes imli junior full contact but royal san lapang senior K1 nalor kata kinriungot ki weipat ki bayok Korea kita kemar nong ki kynthup ya ka dabet shwa nong room sub junior ka pilarisuk nong besap sub junior ubansyay lang maulong sub junior, usankis kem lang singkli sub junior, uplasing mensong senior full contact, but u Augustin maulong sub junior.
The All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association has been participated in the National Kickboxing Championship organized by Kerala Association, Kerala Kickboxing Association. In the ages of iakop, Indian Association of Kickboxing Organization, held in BK Krishna Menon Indoor Stadium, Kozhikode, from 14 to 17 November 2024. 28 senior, 27 junior, and 27 sub-junior. Our participant has participated there and bring medals to for our state. And the student, those who bring gold medals in this championship, Grace Nomsap gold medalist, junior girls, tiny tots, Ozanika Nomsap, sub-junior girls 24 kg gold medalist, and Rina Eskem Nomsap, junior point fighting 45 kg, Biona Karmujai, junior full contact, junior girls full contact 45 kg category, Yairi Suksiim senior full contact 45 kg category, and Riconius Maulong sub junior boys 35 kg category gold medalist, Mewan Pendap Marpan sub junior boys 50 kg category gold medalist, and Shanbor Kurba junior boys 48 kg category gold medalist, and Corridor Ranja senior 48 kg category gold medalist. So, and the silver medalist Happiness Manar junior girls 50 kg, and Ibahun Daris Khars Imli senior K1 50 kg category silver medalist, and May Shanbor Nongrum sub junior boys 30 kg silver medalist, and B Sharbne Maulong sub junior boys 55 kg category silver medalist, Ri Bantei Imli junior full contact 45 kg category silver medalist, Royalson Lakan K1 senior men 52 kg category silver medalist. And the bronze medalists, there are 6 bronze medalists. Davet Shwa Nongrum sub junior girls 28 kg category bronze medalist, bronze medalist, and Phila Risuk Nongsap sub-junior 40 kg category, bronze medalist, and Ban Shai Lang Maulong sub-junior boys 40 kg category, bronze medalist, and Sankis Khemlang Sinkli sub-junior boys 45 kg category, bronze medalist, plus and Agustin Maulong sub-junior boys 45 kg category, bronze medalist, and Plasing Mansong senior men full contact 52 kg category, bronze medalist. These are the students that bring medals for our state, and I am very happy that this time we went to this national championship 21 fighters, and all 21 fighters they brought medals for our state, and this is a big achievement of all Meghalaya Kickboxing Association.